Hi there and welcome to Tipsy's Treats. Today we're going to be making satay chicken with vegetable rice. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need today. They'll be listed in the description. First off, quarter the lime. As you can see, Hank the cat is watching on from a distance. Let's start by making the satay sauce. Add 4 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste to the bowl. Add the Tamari soy sauce. Just 1 tablespoon of that. Honey. 2 tablespoons of that. Give it a little stir. Now, mild curry powder. 2 teaspoons of this. And the main ingredient, 2 teaspoons of smooth peanut butter. Pop that all in a bowl with 100 millilitres of water. Squeeze in 2 of the quarters of the lime as well for the added flavour. Now stir that up as best you can. So set the satay sauce aside. Turn on the hob, put a pan on with a little bit of oil. Add 300 grams of diced chicken. Cook that on the hob for at least 10 minutes. While this is on, let's chop up some of the vegetables for the rice. First off, some baby corns. 80 grams of this. Chop this into small bite-sized pieces. Oh, excuse the socks. As you can see, I was at a ninja run yesterday with the kids. Chop this up. 2 pak choi. Remove the ends and then chop them into bite-sized pieces. Check on the chicken and add the satay sauce. Now cook this for an extra 4 minutes with the sauce in there until the sauce thickens up. Now grate 1 carrot. Try and get as much out of this as possible and set that aside. So in another pan we're going to do the rice. Put the pak choi in and the baby corn. Put the carrot in. Add a tiny bit of water to the chicken if the sauce was starting to dry out a little bit. Keep that stirred up. Now, 2 spring onions, give them a good chop and separate the white from the green. Add the brown rice to the pan and a tad of water just to sort of moisten it up so it steams through. And put that on for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the white part of the spring onion to the rice as well, just for flavour. Keep stirring that so it doesn't stick to the pan. Add a little bit of salt. Now the chicken looks perfect, so we're ready to dish this up. Put the rice, the vegetable rice on the dish first, onto the plate, and then we'll pop the chicken on top. Steaming hot. Oh gosh, I can feel my taste buds tingling already. Once the chicken's on, just add the remaining spring onion, the green part, and there you go. You can add 1 1/4 of the lime to the dish as well, for added flavour. I hope you enjoyed it. Quick and easy, as always. Please like and don't forget to subscribe to look out for more videos coming soon.